T-minus 31 seconds and the handoff has occurred.
25. 20.
Firing chain is armed. Hot suppression water system is armed. Go for main engine start. 8, 7, 6. 0 and liftoff. Final launch of Endeavour. Expanding knowledge, expanding our lives in space.
Houston is now controlling. Endeavour beginning to pull over onto its back. The roll program underway as Endeavour begins a heads down position on course for a 51.6 degree, 136 by 36 statute mile orbit. Approaching 1 minute into the flight.
Endeavour, go at throttle up.
Roger, go at throttle up.
Endeavour's 3 main engines now back at full throttle, all 3 engines in good shape. Endeavour's already traveling 1,300 miles per hour. At an altitude of 11 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, now 12 miles. At liftoff, Endeavour fully fueled, weighed 4.5 million pounds. It's already lost half that weight in propellant now, burned that weight. Next event is burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters. That upcoming here shortly at the 2 minute 3 second point. Those boosters are burning 11,000 pounds of fuel per second. And standing by for separation of the solid rocket boosters. The onboard guidance system has done its job of settling out any dispersions introduced at booster separation. The orbiter is now traveling 3,200 miles per hour, downrange 50 miles, altitude 37 miles. All systems in good shape. 3 good hydraulic systems, auxiliary power units, and fuel cells. The fuel cells providing electrical power to all of the systems.
Roger, 2 engine TAL.
Endeavour can reach a TAL site in the event of a single engine failure. However, all 3 are in good shape. Space Shuttle Endeavour sailing into fair winds on its final historic voyage. This view looking down the external fuel tank, the orbiter there on the top, as Endeavour continues to power its way into orbit. 3 minutes, 15 seconds into the flight. Traveling 4,000 miles per hour, downrange 90 miles, altitude 50 miles.
Endeavour, single engine, ops 3.
Roger, single engine ops 3.
That call indicates that Endeavour could reach a transatlantic abort site on 1 engine if it lost 2 of the 3, although all 3 are still in good shape. 5 minutes, 50 seconds into the flight.
Endeavour, Presta Mico and single engine, Zaragoza, 104.
Roger, Presta Mico, single engine, Zaragoza, 104.
Several calls there. Endeavour can reach a safe orbit on 2 engines now. The guidance system is controlling the engines to roll Endeavour to a heads-up position. to optimize the air-to-ground communications through the satellite network. Flight controllers reporting to Flight Director Richard Jones they're in good shape.
Your shutdown plan is nominal.
Copy. Shutdown plan is nominal.
For Mark, your go the plus X, go the pitch.
Roger. Go for the plus X, go for the pitch.
Engines at 82% of rated thrust, 8 minutes into the flight. The next activity is a main engine cutoff. That's expected to be commanded at 21 seconds. And main engine cutoff has been confirmed. Flight Dynamics reporting a nominal main engine cutoff.
Again, that is MECO, stage separation 1.
And separation from the external tank. Endeavour's Commander Mark Kelly now firing the thruster jets to position the orbiter for photography of the external tank.
See a nominal MECO, Holmes 1 is not.
You can see on your screen, on the left screen, we have main engine cutoff and stage separation. On your right screen is the second stage MVAC engine lighting up, glowing bright red there.
The half-minute mark into the flight.
Again, that is MECO, stage separation 1. And there is that confirmation of fairing deploy. And we recovered by our recovery ships, Miss Tree and Miss Chief
4 minutes, 20 seconds into the mission. Full engine negative. Discovery Houston, negative, return. Negative, return. And good cooling for the orbiter. Houston, Endeavour, roll program.
Roger, roll, Endeavour.